doorbell. What you're gonna need a stone pressure plate. About one, two, three, four, 5 pieces of redstone. Gonna need a redstone repeater, and you're gonna need 2 note blocks. And okay, so this is how you make it, right? So I'm just gonna destroy all the redstone off it, and all of this. The note block cannot be touching here, otherwise it will make no sound. Just so that can be clear. Just redstone down there. You might want to test it a couple of times, so I would put that for there. So first you gotta put some redstone. Then you gotta put some redstone right here, and the redstone has to be leading towards it. So when you put it on the 3rd setting, then you should just put. And if you know what a doorbell sounds like, it should be ding dong. So it should be. Play a noise first. Let's try this. Like that. Creepy music. Yeah, so that's your basic setup. Let's just fly up. Just place some redstone down by here. Put a piece of wool. Just cover it up, and then voila, you're done. And I've opened the door. Or I think I might try and do this. But you might be able to do this if you just put that like that. Put some redstone right here. Maybe, I'm not sure if this would work. Yeah, it works, so you can do it from the outside as well. So just put some sign. Here we go. Put some redstone. The only problem is you can't place sand by here, so you gotta make sure there's no sand. So maybe you could replace the sand with some grass. And you can have that. And then maybe we could just do that. And so, door opens. Door opens. So this is my doorbell example. Okay, next we're gonna do a fridge, and for this we're gonna need. I think it would be better if we had a block of iron. Block of iron. Just look down. Dispenser. Well, this is the old-fashioned one, and we might need a button. Here we go. This is the old-fashioned. This is the old-fashioned fridge. You like put some bread and stuff in here, and then push that button, it'll spit it out. But I've just seen this, and this is a new version of a fridge, and you don't need any dispensers. You just need a chest, even iron door if I can find it. Here we go. Door. And you can need a lever. Should be up here. Here it is. Yeah, this is pretty basic. These fridges are pretty basic. So if you wanted to say put it by here, you stand in this block by here. Put that like that. Then chest. Over there. And then this. But then you might have to block this off. So, like, say, let's just get a block. So the best place would be to put it in the corner. So by here. Oh gosh, let's do that. And then chest. Oh, we're gonna have to patch this up. Oh, great. Now we have to look for some more wool. I think I used like... Then you could just do it like that. Put a lever. Go there. Grab some stuff. That's my blocky fridge. That's my blocky fridge and my doorbell. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and goodbye.